My name's Joseph Rupert. We own a single-family colonial home, and it's Lincolnia Hills area. We only bought the house last year, and moving in, we knew that there was some work needing to be done in the yard space that had been neglected a bit. Some cleanup, just making it really more enjoyable. We actually contacted multiple landscape consultants and had them over, discussed with several of the people what we were thinking, what they were thinking, kind of trying to see what possibilities there are. I think Campbell and Ferrara had clearly had the vision, or had the ability to translate our vision into a form that we could believe they got what we said. The big problem here was that last year when the project was done, we had all these immense rainfall, and therefore it wasn't under Campbell and Ferrara's influence. They just could not go and work, so it stretched out a lot longer. I had no problem with that because I wanted quality over speediness. I did not care that it takes a week or 2 or 3 longer. I was just happy to get it done right, and that's what happened. So, it took longer, as I said, than projected, but the result is awesome. It's absolutely incredible. It is a superb change. It has made the area that was updated so much more usable and enjoyable. I'll let my wife say more about that maybe later or at some point. It's just an incredible, fun space now. It's really, really beautiful. We have a multi-level yard, so there's separate levels, and we fixed basically one level, and in a year or 2 we might do the upper yard space and create some play space and connect it to what we currently have, and just create a play space for kids, adults. Right now, though, we're first going to enjoy this current feature that we now have and really love. I would most definitely always recommend Campbell and Ferrara for any landscaping project that you can see. They just seem to have the vision themselves, and the people translate what you tell them into a project that actually works to such an enjoyable thing that everybody else will say, "Oh God, who did this for you?" And the answer should be Campbell and Ferrara. So.